is not always possible to shoot in the best conditions. On days like this, you can either just stand by and wait for the weather to improve and take a moment, or you have to give up and go home. Today is a delicate day. Wait and see.
Shallow waters, don't jump, don't try to swim. Tongue-tied and left alone, drowning. Words are too slim. Sometimes I want to drown, I want to dive head first, but shallow waters too clear to be mysterious, too calm and clean. I'd like to have something to say, but something says build up, time float away. In my ocean, mind not so deep anymore. Shallow. Sometimes I want to drown, I want to die head first, but shallow waters too clear to be mysterious, too calm and clean. Calm and I think it's time I open my mind. I think it's time to see what I find. And I think it's time I open my mind. And